it's Holly here, and today I'm going to be doing a little review and tutorial from the new kind of makeup launches that Lux Unfiltered has been launching. They've launched a few face products and a lip product, so I felt like this is the perfect time to review them all and do a little makeup tutorial for you. So I don't know already, Lux Unfiltered is like a tanning brand, but they just started coming out with some makeup product launches. Love when skincare and self-tan and makeup all comes together, because that's my thing. I'm gonna do the tutorial today and talk through the products because I'm gonna be using them all on my face rather than swatch and talk. First product I'm gonna apply is the bronzer, Tropics. I applied a cream matte bronzer, which I kind of contour with on my face most days, but I'm adding this for a bit of bronze on top of the contour for a bit of glow. That's kind of how I like to apply it. I would like a little bit along where I kind of want to add a little bit of glow to my skin. I think just for fun today, I'm going to buy all of these products and blend them in kind of at one time. Blush they have is called Sunset. We're gonna apply that right here, kind of above that line on my cheek. And that's a gorgeous shade. Last product, probably my favorite out of the face products. This is called Salty, and it's a highlight balm, which is just, wait till you see this glow. It's like crazy. So I'll apply it. You really don't need much of this, but I still go in pretty hard on it. Also like to add a little bit to the tip of my nose and right here. Just contours the nose nicely. And up here underneath the brow. I'm gonna show you how I blend them in now. I'll use my finger and my brush. I kind of want this one to stay exactly where I'm putting it, and blend it a bit into my hairline. A fluffy brush from e.l.f. It's actually a powder brush, but it just looked like a good size and density for this job. On the contour here, products are very blendy, like they're moisturizing, and you can kind of feel obviously and see how much moisture and glow to the skin they give. So they give color, but as well as like a gentle soft glow. Blush portion, fingers a bit too. I always use my fingers. Do a little upward motion. And then I'm gonna soften the edges with a sponge. I wanna make sure I put the blush pigment kind of precisely, and it's kind of mixing in with the highlight. But look how beautiful that transition is actually. And I like to go all the way up into the hairline. What I always like to do with my blush, make sure that it blends perfectly on my fingers, and make sure to kind of go right up to underneath my eye, like my lower lash line. They have this Lux Unfiltered brush, which is great for buffing into the skin. What I kind of do is go over, once I've kind of put it into place, I like to buff this in with this brush to kind of perfect those edges and make sure it kind of stays where I want it to, but also blends into the skin and the other products kind of seamlessly. Really soft brush and great for blushes, bronzers, highlight. Basically all of the products included. The final product they have, and the final product that I'm going to apply today, is their Soothing Lip Serum. No shade, there's only one of them. Apply a lip liner first is what I like to do. This is Spice from MAC, which is just one of my go-tos. And I always overline a little bit in the middle. A little bit overline on the top. And then I like to shade in the corners, especially when I'm wearing a clear gloss. This is a great lip product for on the go. I don't think it has any scent or smell to it. I don't think so. And it's just a clear, glossy product. Balmy gloss, which is my favorite because they make your lips look like dewy. I like the applicator on this too. Look how gorgeous that is, just for like a really quick natural lip, just with like 2 products on the go. You can reapply anywhere. So this is the final look using the new Lux Unfiltered makeup skincare tanning product kind of combo brand situation. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like it down below and follow me here at Hollywood Beauty on YouTube. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me over there as well at Hollywood Beauty. I'd love to see you over there. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.